All right, we have 4 different air tire inflators. We got a Smittybilt, got the AstroAI right here, and we got Oxido. Oxido is the smallest one. Oh, and I have another one. Good thing with VIAIR is that they're small enough they can fit inside of my Tacoma's underseat storage area. Ready? VIAIR. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna air up each tire with one of these compressors. I'm airing up everything to 35 psi. Alright, this tire is currently at 26 psi. It's a stock Tacoma tire, 265, 70, 16. Turn this on, long press, 3 seconds. Okay, it's on, increase the pressure, I'm setting it to 35. 25 psi, I'm setting it to 35. Alright, let's do it. Error. Yeah, it's error 1. It's probably overheat. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot to the touch. It's overheating. Not even filled up one tire from 25 psi to 35 psi. It may be good for maybe a smaller tire size, like 30-inch tire, but then for a smaller tire size, I don't see drivers using those kind of vehicle with some smaller tires go off-road that often. It may be good for if you have a bike, even a bicycle or motorcycle, something like that. This is probably going to be ideal. That's very unfortunate. Let's try the AstroAI. Let's see. Hopefully this gives me a better time and performance than the smaller one. Alright, set it to 35. Car mode. Alright, let's see. That's good. Alright, 24.5 psi currently. Hit that once. I'm setting it to 35. 6 minutes and 22 seconds. It made it. It's pretty warm. I wouldn't call it hot, but it's pretty warm. I'm gonna use this for the driver tire. Let's see if it connected. Alright, it does. It's powered. There we go. Yeah, so under 2 minutes. This is definitely much faster. See, 35. It's not even hot. 1 minute and 55 seconds. That's within stop and go, checking air pressure. I would say it's really impressive. Time for the Smittybilt. That's over 35. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yep, 36 psi. My God, that was quick. Here's our difference. I'm gonna put the time I took on the screen so that you have an idea of how well they do. Although, given the size difference and the weight, I would take the VIAIR any day, and then the AstroAI because it has a built-in battery jumper function. And where's the one that failed? Still saying error, still hot. Turn it off. Alright, turn it off. Turn it back on. It's back on. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with this. Probably use it for my son's bike and stuff like that. Definitely not the truck tire. It's good for what it is. I mean, today the air temperature is about 85 degrees Fahrenheit. That may play a little bit of role in this, but no. To me, VIAIR is the winner here. It's small, relatively small in size, and does the job quickly. About as good as the I would say definitely as good as the Smittybilt, at least for my truck tire. I can't say anything above 32-inch tires because that's what my truck has, and some pumps may struggle a little more on bigger tire size. That's just a fact. Very light, very lightweight. It's a great pump. And compact. What more do you want?